Welcome to MDM and 360 Applications July 2025 release enablement. We've now introduced the ability for data governance and catalog scanner to be able to scan MDM assets. The key highlights of this capability are users have now the ability to expand their metadata scanning to business entities, relationships, and hierarchies, alongside configurable catalog creation and lineage discovery support. The benefit to end user is it brings greater transparency for users to understand complex MDM asset structures and their relationships, thereby improving compliance for those users. With that, I'll pass it on to my colleague to show the demo of the feature in more detail.
Hi, my name is Misha Orlovsky. I'm going to walk you through Data Governance and Catalog Scanner for MDM Assets introduced in July release. First, let's review the changes in Metadata Command Center. When creating a new catalog, we need to select Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services, catalog type with enabled scanning of data integration, MDM SaaS, and Reference 360 assets. In Registration tab, we need to specify org URL and credentials. Then switch to the Configuration and specify optionally the metadata filters, where previously in previous releases there were only data integration and Reference 360 metadata types available. Now we can also see MDM SaaS with 3 asset types supported: hierarchy, relationship, and business entity. Here you can see I specified metadata generation across all business entities within Customer 360 project, head of household, relationship, and DUNS hierarchy and hierarchies folder. You can also see supported examples with wildcards, including MDM SaaS. Optionally, we might need to enable lineage discovery. Once Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services catalog is executed in Metadata Command Center, scanning specified MDM assets, we can now review the results in Data Governance and Catalog. The catalog includes 3 business entities: household, organization, and person. As I open person and navigate to the Relationships tab, we can see person has 160 attributes. Person is located in Customer 360 project. It has 10 system fields that are the same across any business entity, including business ID, created by, last update date, and so on. There are 4 source systems configured in person business entity survivorship settings. Based on scan settings, person is related to household and organization business entities. Next, let's review DUNS hierarchy. From relationships graph, we can see it's located in hierarchies folder. There are 3 relationship types. Org has employee, this is organization to person relationship. Domestic ultimate and child represent organization to organization relationship. Now let's take a look at head of household relationship. We can see it's located in insurance extension folder. It has 2 attributes: effective start and end date, and 2 relationship fields: child and parent ID. Let's review an example of scanned mapping task lineage. The catalog scanner captured MDM job execution invoking empty ingress mapping task to read an external product table using Baka connection, ingressing the data to Teradata source system, in product business entity lending data set in MDM. Once the data was ingressed, the data quality rules have been initiated on product entity source records, generating source record dataset with clean and accurate data. Next, match and survivorship rules have been applied during match and merge job execution in MDM. As a result of using data quality, matching, and survivorship rules, the consolidated master records with the best version of truth have been established. Let's review the lineage from product business entity perspective. The source data is initiated in external product table using Baka connection and ingressed through MT ingress mapping task, resolving reference data specific attributes. Next, the data is propagated to lending dataset across source systems Oracle, Teradata, and Microsoft SQL. This is possible when reusing the same mapping and mapping task across different sources. So source system is defined as an input parameter in the task flow in CDI. Established lending dataset is followed with data quality on the source record level. This generates source record dataset across Oracle Teradata and MS SQL. Next, match and survivorship rules are applied, resulting in a mastered product business entity dataset. This wraps up my demo.
To learn more about the feature, please refer to the What's New and Released notes in the Help section for details, not only for this, but for all the other features released in July release. Thank you.